Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Iman, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello everyone, I'm Inaya and it's so nice to be here.
Hi, Inaya. How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy too. I'm excited for today's topic.
Oh yes, it's a very useful topic, very important.
Exactly. But before we start, friends, a small reminder. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet.
Yes, and if you're enjoying these conversations, don't forget to like the video too.
So, Inaya, today we're talking about daily routine. Let me ask you first, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up around 6 in the morning, sometimes a little earlier, sometimes a little later. Alhamdulillah, I like early mornings. What about you, Iman?
Oh, nice. I also wake up early, usually around 5:30. I like having some quiet time before the day starts, you know?
Yes, I completely understand that. Early mornings feel calm and peaceful. Masha Allah. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing I do is make wudu and pray fajr. After that, I sit quietly for a few minutes. Sometimes I think about the day ahead. And you, Anaya?
Alhamdulillah, same here. Prayer comes first. Then I usually drink a glass of water and open the window for some fresh air. It helps me feel awake.
That sounds really refreshing. Do you check your phone in the morning?
To be honest, sometimes I do, but I try not to check it immediately. I prefer to start the day calmly. What about you?
Yeah, same. I try to avoid my phone at first. If I check it too early, my mind feels busy. I like slow mornings.
Yes, slow mornings are the best. After that, what do you usually do next?
After prayer and a little quiet time, I usually have tea. Just simple tea, nothing fancy. Then I start planning my day. And you?
Oh, I love tea too. I usually have tea or sometimes coffee. Then I make my bed and clean my room a little. It makes me feel organized.
Masha Allah, that's a good habit. I feel better when my space is clean, too. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Most days, yes. I try to eat something light, maybe bread, eggs, or fruit. What about you, Iman?
Alhamdulillah, I usually eat breakfast too. Sometimes it's simple, sometimes I skip it if I'm busy, but I try not to.
Yes, I understand. Some mornings are very busy. After breakfast, do you start work immediately?
Usually, yes. I work from home, so I sit at my desk and start checking my tasks. Sometimes I read or write first. And you?
I also work from home. I usually start around 9. Before that, I like to get ready slowly. I don't like rushing.
That's nice. Rushing makes the day stressful. By the way, friends, if you're enjoying this calm conversation, don't forget to like the video.
Yes, and you can comment and tell us about your daily routine too. We'd love to read it.
So, Anaya, during your work time, do you take breaks?
Yes, I do. I try to take short breaks every hour or two. Sometimes I stretch or just look outside. And you?
Same here. Short breaks really help. Sometimes I walk around the room or make another cup of tea.
Tea again?
Yes, tea is very important in my routine.
Masha Allah, I agree. Tea makes everything better. What time do you usually finish work?
Usually in the late afternoon, around 5 or 6, sometimes later, depending on the day. And you?
Around the same time. When I finish work, I feel relaxed. It's like a small relief, you know?
Yes, I know that feeling. After work, what do you usually do?
Well, after work, I like to rest for a bit. Then I help at home or prepare dinner. Sometimes I go for a short walk. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I also rest a little. Then I spend time with family. We talk, laugh, and sometimes watch something together.
That sounds really nice. Family time is very special.
Yes, by Allah's mercy, it's one of the best parts of the day. Do you usually go outside in the evening?
Sometimes, if the weather is nice, I go for a walk. I like evening air. It feels calm. And you?
Same here. Evening walks help me relax. I feel lighter after that.
Mashallah, that's good for the body and the mind.
Absolutely. By the way, Anaya, what do you usually eat for dinner?
Dinner is usually simple. Rice, vegetables, maybe chicken or fish. I don't like heavy food at night. What about you?
Same. I prefer light dinner too. Heavy food makes me feel tired.
Yes, I agree. After dinner, what do you usually do?
After dinner, I usually pray Isha. Then I relax. Sometimes I read, sometimes I just sit quietly. And you?
Alhamdulillah, same. After prayer, I like quiet time. I sometimes write in my journal or listen to something soft.
That sounds peaceful. Do you use social media at night?
A little, yes, but I try not to use it too much. It can take a lot of time. And you?
Same. I use it a little, then I stop. I don't want it to affect my sleep.
Yes, sleep is very important. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30 or 11, I try to sleep early. And you?
Almost the same. If I sleep late, I feel tired the next day.
Exactly. A good night's sleep changes everything.
Yes, friends, having a simple daily routine really helps you feel calm and balanced, inshallah.
By the way, Inaya, do you follow the same routine every day?
Not exactly. Some days are different, but I like having a basic routine. It gives structure to my day. And you?
Same here. Routine gives comfort, but flexibility is also important.
Masha Allah, very true.
Do you ever feel bored with your routine?
Sometimes yes, but then I try to change small things, like taking a different walk or trying new food. And you?
Laugh softly. Same. Small changes help a lot.
Yes, even small changes make the day feel fresh.
By the way, friends, if you're listening carefully, you're already improving your English naturally.
Yes, just listen and relax. No pressure.
So, Inaya, what part of your daily routine do you enjoy the most?
I think the quiet moments at night, when everything slows down. And you, Iman?
For me, it's early morning. That peaceful start makes my whole day better.
Mashallah, that's beautiful.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Daily routines may look simple, but they shape our life.
Absolutely. And sharing them like this feels really nice.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Sharing daily routines really feels comforting. By the way, Inaya, do you ever feel tired during the day?
Oh, yes. Sometimes in the afternoon, I feel a little tired, especially after lunch. I usually take a short break then. What about you, Iman?
Same here. Afternoon tiredness is real. Sometimes I just sit quietly for 5 minutes, and it really helps.
Yes, even a small rest can change your energy. Do you ever take naps?
Not every day, but sometimes. A short nap, maybe 20 minutes. If it's too long, I feel sleepy later. And you?
I'm the same. Short naps are nice, but long naps ruin my night sleep.
Exactly. Balance again. Masha Allah.
By the way, Iman, do you usually plan your day in advance?
Yes, I like planning. Not too strict, but I write a few tasks. It helps me stay focused. And you?
I do something similar. I write a simple list. When I finish something, I feel happy.
Yes, checking off tasks feels great.
It really does. Friends, if you're enjoying this calm conversation, don't forget to like the video.
Yes, and you can comment about your daily routine too. We'd love to hear from you.
So, Iman, do you like cooking?
I like simple cooking, nothing fancy. I can make basic meals. What about you, Inaya?
I enjoy cooking when I'm in the mood. Some days I love it, some days I don't.
That's very honest. Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes family members help, and sometimes we order food. What about you?
Same. Cooking every day can be tiring.
Yes. After dinner, do you usually talk with family?
Alhamdulillah, yes. We sit together and talk about the day. It's one of my favorite moments. And you?
Same here. Family conversations feel warm and safe.
Masha Allah, family time is truly a blessing.
It really is. By the way, Iman, do you exercise regularly?
I try to, mostly walking, nothing heavy. It helps my body and mind. And you?
Same. Walking is my favorite. It's simple and relaxing.
Yes, and you can think while walking too.
Exactly. Sometimes I just listen to the sounds around me.
That sounds peaceful. Do you prefer walking alone or with someone?
Both are nice. Alone time helps me think, and walking with someone is fun. What about you?
Same here. Depends on my mood.
Yes, mood really affects our routine.
True. By the way, Inaya, do you ever feel your routine becomes boring?
Sometimes, yes. When that happens, I try small changes, like waking up a little earlier or changing my evening activity. And you?
I do the same. Small changes make a big difference.
Masha Allah, it's nice to hear that.
Yes. And friends, remember, routine doesn't mean boring, it just means stable.
Exactly. Stability brings peace, inshallah.
So, Inaya, what do you usually do on weekends?
Weekends are a bit different. I wake up later, rest more, and spend extra time with family. And you?
Same here. Weekends feel lighter. I try not to work too much.
Yes, rest is important too.
Do you like cleaning on weekends?
Not really, but I do it anyway. It feels good after everything is clean. And you?
Same. Cleaning is tiring but satisfying.
Very true.
By the way, Inaya, do you use alarms to wake up?
Yes, I do. One alarm is usually enough. What about you?
I use one too, but sometimes I wake up before it.
Masha Allah, that's nice.
Alhamdulillah, early mornings are peaceful.
Yes, I wish every morning felt like that.
Me too.
By the way, Iman, do you drink a lot of water during the day?
I try to. I keep a bottle near me. And you?
Same. It's a small habit, but important.
Yes, small habits build a healthy routine.
Exactly. Friends, small habits matter a lot.
By the way, Inaya, do you like quiet nights or busy nights?
Quiet nights, definitely. I like calm evenings. And you?
Same. Quiet nights help me sleep better.
Yes, calm mind, good sleep.
So true. Do you usually reflect on your day before sleeping?
Sometimes, yes. I think about what went well and what I can improve. And you?
I do the same. It helps me feel grateful.
Masha Allah, gratitude changes everything.
Absolutely. Alhamdulillah for small blessings.
Yes, friends, try to end your day with gratitude.
By the way, Inaya, do you prepare for the next day at night?
Yes, sometimes. I plan clothes or tasks. It makes mornings easier. And you?
Same here. Prepared nights create calm mornings.
Masha Allah, very true.
So, Inaya, if you had to describe your daily routine in one word, what would it be?
I'd say simple. And you?
I'd say balanced.
Masha Allah, simple and balanced sounds perfect.
Yes, life doesn't need to be complicated.
Exactly. Simple routines bring peace.
By Allah's mercy, these small daily habits shape our life.
Yes, and talking about them feels comforting.
It really does. Inaya, I truly enjoyed this conversation.
Me too, Iman. It felt very calm and natural.
Alhamdulillah. Friends, thank you so much for listening with us.
Yes, thank you for spending your time here.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your daily routine in the comments, inshallah.
We'd love to read about your day.
Until next time, take care and stay positive.
May your days be peaceful and blessed.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.